What's going on, guys? I'm DJ DZK. I was looking for my tripod for like an hour or something, and I was like, well, I guess I'm just gonna have to shoot the entire video holding this tripod like this. You have this way too big angle with this, but luckily I found my normal tripod. So this video is going to be about writer's block. Today I'm going to be going over 5 tips to help you overcome writer's block, work through it, and not have it be some like scary thing like none of that. Let's take this, let's do this in a grown-up manner. But yeah, Happy New Year, guys. I haven't made it. This is my first video that I'm going to be uploading in 2019. That's me jumping into 2019 right there. Of course, my Alien Invasion remix came out. If you guys haven't already checked it out by now, it's blowing up, man. It's going crazy. I think I posted it like 2 weeks ago, and it's already got like over 150 plays on SoundCloud. So if you guys haven't heard that yet, go ahead and check it out. You can pause the video and then you can come back, and you don't have to listen to the whole thing. You can listen to it later or whatever, but the link is in the description if you want to check it out now or later or whatever. Also, I want to quickly mention, if you're not following me on Instagram, to make sure and do that. I'm going to put the link to my Instagram in the description as well, because I can post stuff video related. You guys can be a part of it and stuff, and also I do live streams sometimes too, so that's cool. Anyways, let's get into the video. 5 tips on how to overcome writer's block. I already had to do this once because my audio sucked. So, 5 tips to overcome writer's block. Now, the thing that you gotta know about writer's block is that you're not so much as going to overcome it as much as you're going to learn how to work with it. Tip number 1 is to get out of your comfort zone. A lot of these tips you can apply to basically anything that has to do with writing, I guess, but this is like specifically for music production. So say you make trap music, you can get out of your comfort zone by making a genre of music that you normally don't make or have never made. And that can kind of open up your mind and kind of make you see things differently and see different possibilities and different combinations of sounds and stuff that you didn't think of before. If you make dubstep or something, this actually happened to me recently. I tried making a house song because I actually started making music. I started making house was the first genre of music that I started making. I started making like big room and like electro house kind of stuff. I had an idea to try and make a house song because I hadn't made one in a long time. So helped me get out of my comfort zone a little bit, and then I felt refreshed and I felt okay, I can come back to working on a dubstep song or whatever. So tip number 2 is the stream of consciousness. If you don't know what stream of consciousness is, it's basically you do something without thinking about it. So if let's say you open your DAW and you just make the first chord progression or whatever, and then the first melody or whatever, the first beat that just comes to your mind, you don't even think about mixing or whatever it's going to sound like, and you just do it as just like without even thinking about it, and just let your brain just have fun basically. And then after that you can like review it and be like, this is good, this isn't good, or whatever. It can help you get yourself out of a box that you kind of can put yourself in sometimes. If you have certain parameters set up for like, oh, this is my sound, then doing something like a stream of consciousness can help you expand that. Tip number 3 is to do something else that's creative. If you have any other hobbies that have something to do with creativity, whether it's drawing or making graphic art or making YouTube videos, or something that is not just skill based, but also you have to have like an imagination about it, and that's obviously not making music. So that can be helpful in the way that it's using the same part of your brain, but it's in a different format. Number 4 is to take a break. This is kind of an obvious one, but if you take a break and do something that's non-creative, like for me, like I surf or skateboard or work out, anything that doesn't really require any kind of imagination to it, that way if you do something like that for a while, then it can make you kind of crave to do something creative. Tip number 5 is to challenge yourself. And what I mean by this is a good example is I was making the house song that I was talking about, and my sister challenged me to use a sample from The Wizard of Oz in the song that I'm making. Make a song using only this or something. A lot of producers have done that. If you a lot of famous songs or whatever have been a result of doing something like that. So I hope you guys found this video informative and you found some great ways to overcome writer's block. So if you guys like this video, make sure you like it and subscribe and hit the bell icon so that you get notified when I upload videos, because I'm going to be doing more videos like this. Also, I release music production tutorials, feedback on music. You guys can send me your music and I do videos where I give feedback on your music. If you want to submit your music, go ahead and join my Discord server. The link is in the description. And yeah, I hope you guys have an awesome year 2019. Let's freaking kill it. Alright, see you guys in the next video. Peace.